big adventure. Hello everyone. Are you ready to go on a big adventure today? We are going to learn some super important English words, and they're all about traveling. Let's go. Train station. Train station. What's this place? It's a train station. Train station. Great job at the train station. We wait for the train. Choo choo. Choo choo. What sound does a train make? Yes, that's right. Let's say it again. Train station. Train station. Hotel. Hotel. After a long day of travel, we might stay at a hotel. Hotel. Let's check in at the hotel. Can you say hotel with me? Hotel. Now you're ready to check in at the hotel. Hotel. Map. Map. Oh no, we're lost. What do we need? A map. A map shows us where to go. Can you say map? Map. Great. Look at the map and point. Where do you want to go? Metro. 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 Here comes the metro. It's like a fast train. Can you say metro? Metro? It zooms under the city. Do you like riding the metro? Let's say it one more time. Metro. Restaurant. Restaurant. I'm hungry. Let's go to a restaurant. Restaurant. Can you say restaurant? What's your favorite food to eat at a restaurant? Restaurant. Oh, we need to get somewhere fast. Let's take a taxi. Taxi. Can you say it with me? Taxi. Quick, let's go. Bus stop. Bus stop. Maybe we can take the bus. This is the bus stop. Can you say bus stop? Look, there's the bus. Let's get on. Ticket. Ticket. But wait, we need a ticket. Can you say ticket? Ticket. Don't forget your ticket to ride the bus, the metro, or even the train. Directions. Directions. We need help. Let's ask for directions. Directions tell us where to go. Can you say directions? Where do you want to go today? Bridge. Bridge. Look at that big bridge. Can you say bridge? Bridge. Let's cross it together. Reception. Reception. Now we're back at the hotel. This is the reception. Can you say reception? Reception. We say hello here. Room key. Room key. Don't forget your room key. Can you say room key? Room key? That's how we get into our hotel room. Reservation. Reservation. Did you make a reservation? It means we saved our place. Can you say reservation? Great job. Minibus. Minibus. Look at that little bus. It's a minibus. Can you say minibus? Minibus. Let's all hop in. Travel to. Travel to. Are you ready to travel to a new place? Can you say travel to? Where do you want to go next? Travel back. Travel back. After our fun adventure, it's time to travel back home. Can you say travel back? Travel back. Wow, you did amazing. We learned so many new words today. Train station, hotel, map, metro, restaurant, taxi, and more. See you next time for another fun English adventure. Bye bye.